HowExpert Guide to Art Collecting is your blueprint for becoming a disciplined, informed, and strategic art collector. Through the proven 36-day CDOR system, you will learn to navigate the art market with clarity, verify authenticity with confidence, collect confidently, protect your assets, and build a valuable art collection. This guide provides a clear pathway grounded in research, strategy, and long-term thinking. Across a structured 36-day framework, you will progress through appreciation, research, evaluation, legal awareness, capital strategy, asset protection, documentation, market positioning, and legacy planning. Each stage builds on the last, so your decisions become more intentional as you build your art collecting foundation step by step. You will think and act like a serious collector who understands both the artistic and financial sides of the art world. Introduction. Discover why art collecting endures, how the global market works, and how the 36-day system guides your progress. Chapter 1. Appreciation and Purpose, Days 1 to 3. Clarify your motivations, cultural understanding, and collector identity. Chapter 2. Our Research and Market Foundations, Days 4 to 6. Understand market structure, pricing, and research methods. Chapter 3. Taste, and Direction, Days 7 to 9. Develop aesthetic discernment and a focused collection strategy. Chapter 4. Categories and Mediums, Days 10 to 12. Explore paintings, sculpture, photography, digital art, and global segments. Chapter 5. Originality and Authenticity, Days 13 to 15. Master Provenance, Editions, and Fraud Prevention. Chapter 6. Learning to Evaluate Quality, Days 16 to 18. Assess technique, condition, reputation, and market positioning. Chapter 7. Legal, Tax, and Ethical Responsibility, Days 19 to 21. Navigate ownership, contracts, compliance, and tax awareness. Chapter 8. Economics and Capital Strategy, Days 22 to 24. Apply budgeting, negotiation, and risk management. Chapter 9. Care and Asset Protection, Days 25 to 27. Protect your collection through conservation, insurance, and security. Chapter 10. Tracking and Documentation, Days 28 to 30. Build inventory systems and maintain accurate records. Chapter 11. Outreach and Market Positioning, Days 31 to 33. Strengthen relationships and gain insight through engagement. Chapter 12. Resale, Estate Planning, and Legacy, Days 34 to 36. Develop exit strategies, estate plans, and a lasting vision. Conclusion. Consolidate your knowledge and move forward with confidence as a strategic art collector. Appendices includes a glossary, resources, quick reference guides, tools, and FAQs. HowExpert Guide to Art Collecting provides a practical roadmap for collectors who want to navigate the art world with clarity and control. You will gain confidence to ask sharper questions, evaluate opportunities with precision, and make informed decisions aligned with your vision and long-term goals as you take control of your art collecting journey. Start building your art collection with knowledge, strategy, and purpose. Strengthen your judgment, protect your investments, and position yourself for long-term success in a global market. Move forward with clarity, collect with conviction, and become a focused, disciplined, and confident art collector who builds a meaningful legacy. Begin your art collecting journey today and collect with confidence. HowExpert publishes how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.